Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x to the power x plus x to the power x is equal to 16. Questions have given x to the power x plus x to the power x is equal to 16, or taking common x to the power x, we will get 1 plus 1 is equal to 16, or x to the power x times 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 16. Now divided both sides by 2. So we can write here x to the power x times 2 over 2 is equal to 16 over 2, or here we will get x to the power x is equal to 16 over 2 is 8, or now taking ln on both sides, we can write here ln of x to the power x is equal to ln of 8, or now we know a logarithm formula ln of a to the power b is equal to b times ln of a. Now apply this formula. Here we can write x times ln of x is equal to ln of 8. Or now we know that e to the power ln of a is equal to a. Example, e to the power ln of 3 is equal to 3. So this x can be written as e to the power ln of x times ln of x is equal to ln of 8. Or now rearranging left sides, we can write here ln of x times e to the power ln of x is equal to ln of 8. Or now we know Lambert W function, w of a times e to the power a is equal to a. So taking Lambert W function on both sides, we can write here w of ln of x times e to the power ln of x is equal to w of ln of 8. Or so apply this formula. Here we will get ln of x. So we can write here ln of x is equal to w of ln of 8. Now we will remove this ln. So we can write here e to the power ln of a is equal to a. So taking base e on both sides, we can write e to the power ln of x is equal to e to the power w of ln of 8. Now we know that e to the power ln of x is x. So here we can write x is equal to e to the power w of ln of 8. Now here we can use calculator. So the approximate value of x is 2.389, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.